Hello everyone, I'm Rijad Saric, a software and electrical engineer, graduated at Sarajevo School of Science and Technology, University in Sarajevo, combining major in computer science and minor in electrical and electronic engineering. Currently, I'm working as a junior software engineer and a teaching assistant at Department of Computer Science at SST University. Also, I'm an active member of IEEE Society and the coordinator of IEEE Student Branch at SST University. Besides, I'm going to pursue my master's studies in embedded electronic systems at International Burch University. And my long-term goals are to unify areas that are particularly interesting to me, such as microelectronics, embedded electronic systems, signal processing and control theory on one side, as well as various types of algorithms and programming applied to electrical engineering on the other side. After I had successfully completed my bachelor thesis project, I decided, in agreement with my mentors, to further explore it, adding the new approach to system identification based on forced oscillations. I wrote a research paper and submitted it to International IEEE Conference, and owing to BH Futures Foundation, I had an opportunity to attend the IEEE International Conference named CODIT, where I presented my paper, held in Thessaloniki, Greece. The paper will be published in IEEE Explorer Digital Library. Lastly, I will say that I am a hardworking and devoted person with the clear goals for my future to enhance the knowledge and experience in my future career, and I believe that I can be a strong candidate for BH Futures Foundation mentorship program. I would like to greet you all and thank you for your attention.